Hey everyone, welcome back, and I hope you had an amazing Easter. Today I'm going to share with you some recipes on what you can do with that leftover ham. I know y'all got some leftover ham and you're wondering what in the world am I going to do with the rest of this ham. I always think that myself. There's so many different things that you could use it for, so don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. What I would do is go ahead and separate it, cut nice chunks off of it, and bag them separately, wrap them separately, throw them in your freezer. So that way, when I'm posting videos that have ham in them, you already have your ham. You already have your ham. Anyway, the first video I'm going to show you is a video that I posted a couple years ago of my ham and bean soup. It's a crock pot recipe. It's so easy to make. I made cornbread with mine, some fried potatoes. It was amazing. I love it. All that leftover ham you got, it's going to go perfect in these beans. These have already been rinsed several times, multiple times, and cleaned, and I picked out the bad ones. You want to make sure that you do clean your beans because, sometimes you find a little bit of gravel and sometimes some little baby rocks in there. And you want to make sure that you get them all nice and clean. I just ran them under some warm water bath and just kind of ran my hand through it and drained the water off. And I done that like 2 or 3 times just to make sure that I've got them nice and clean. In my big old crock pot here, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on high and add my beans into my crock pot. I'm going to add every bit of my celery, onions, and 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to also add my ham. I am going to add 3 bouillon cubes of chicken. Now, I normally use chicken stock in here, but guess what? I don't have any, so I thought I did. That's one thing I always keep on hand is chicken stock. Chicken stock, beef stock, but always more chicken stock than anything because, I use chicken stock in a lot of recipes. Now, I'm going to add some water. You're going to add quite a bit. That should be plenty. I like to add just a little bit of celery salt in there, just a little bit. And I like to add some of the minced onions as well. Celery and onions, when you cook them, they don't really give anything a flavor. It's just more of a texture. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm right? I like a lot of pepper in mine. I'm also going to add, a nice big heaping tablespoon of bacon grease. You've got to have bacon grease when you're cooking beans. There's just no other way to make sure that they are absolutely phenomenal. And this will ensure that they are absolutely phenomenal. I am going to give it a stir. I'm going to put my lid right on top. I didn't add any additional salt. I'll test them later for saltiness because, the chicken stock, the bouillon cubes, and, they already have quite a bit of salt content in there. I got my lid on, ready to rock and roll. I'm going to let these cook half the day away. Probably for a good 4 to 5 hours. We'll see. I'll let you know the exact time when they're done cooking. Going to make me a big old iron skillet of cornbread, and we are going to be eating good tonight. Look how beautiful and delicious that looks. This cooked in my crock pot for about 5 hours on high. Once it came up to a boil, I'm going to try a bite. Hot. Oh, man. Oh, that's so hot. But I'm telling you what, if you want something that's going to warm you from the inside out, this is it. This is absolutely phenomenal, delicious. You're going to like it. Make you some big old skillet of cornbread, some fried potatoes, dice you up some onions, and you're ready to go. Now that's comfort food. One more bite. That is so good. I hope you like this video. I hope you make it very soon. I appreciate you guys. You know I love you all so very much, and I'll see you on the next recipe episode. Take care. Bye-bye.